Welcome to this channel. My name is Sadiq Adebayo, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get a free hosting to host whatever you want to design. Alright, so without wasting much of the time, let's get started. To get a free hosting, all you need to do is to go to hostnative free. This is hostnative.com, but you need to put free here .com. Now I want to show you something before I explain further, so let's wait till it loads. Okay, fine. This is hostnativefree.com. This is where you'll be getting your free hosting, and it says host your website for free for life. So you can start now, but before we start now, I need to explain some little things for you so you can understand me better. Now, to know much about this free hosting, all you need to do is to click scroll here and start reading about it. So this is about the features and what you're about to get. You're getting 10 gig disk, 10 gig bandwidth, free SSL. There's a free SSL for you. So this is what I mean by SSL. Something you can see at the top here, you can see that padlock, that is security. So your website will be secured. Connection is what? Secured. Then DNS service. As we move on, you will understand that later. Subdomain, so which is a subdomain, it is, you understand that later as we move on in this web design training. So if you have been following me from the introductory part to the how to get a free domain part, and also here, and then when we move on, you understand what a subdomain means. Then these are the features. So the free hosting service that you get from hostnative free. So there's one thing I really want to point out. You can go and check this yourself later. There's different, because when I typed it, you can see hostnative.com. So this hostnative free is hosted or powered by hostnative.com. So now let's quickly go to hostnative. I want to show you some things. Okay, instead of typing it, right, maybe I should just click it here. It is clickable. Okay, wow, why did they block it? What is going on? Alright, without wasting much of the time, I think maybe my browser or something. Hostnative.com. So let's go direct to the website, and here it is. So it's loaded. This is a premium one. So when you go on this website, you can see something around this at the top here. So this is it, free premium hosting. So when you click on this premium hosting, you will get to the hostnative website itself. So all I'm trying to say is this: maybe you want to upgrade more of these services, you can quickly come here at premium hosting. Just click on it and it leads you to this website, hostnative.com. You can see it changes. So let's go back to hostnative free and let's host our website for free. So now, like I've said, you can host your website for free. So this is how you can do it. All you need to do is to come to hostnative free, then click on start now. So when you click on start now, this page loads, and then here is it. So when this page loads, just click on order now. Nothing more. You are not using your credit card, nothing. So now here is the deal, because that's the reason why I asked you, I explained to you how to get a domain first. So if you've watched the last video, you see the last video that I explained how to get a free domain. If at all you don't have some little change to buy a domain at all, so you can get a free hosting and free domain, then you put it here and you continue whatever you want to do. So now, how do I connect my free domain to this whatever domain, whether it is free, whether it is paid one? It is paid one. How do I connect it to my hosting? This is what you do. All you need to do is to go to your hosting, go to your domain, wherever you buy the domain or you get the free domain. Now we get the free domain from Freenom. All right. So but before you get the Freenom, please on your VPN. So I will check my VPN if it is on. So you might not see that from here, but okay, if my VPN is on now, so on your VPN before you come to Freenom. So all you need to do is to log in to your account. So I will log into my account here. Well, I'm already logged in, as you can see, but I will log in like this. sorry, I've logged in already, so you can see it's bringing all this. It says I should log out. So let me quickly log out and log in, and you see how it looks. So I've come here before to get the domain. So all you need to do is to log in Freenom, log into the Freenom or wherever you get your domain. Now this is my okay. Then click on login. Simple. So I'll be logged into my account. Then I will show you how you will connect your domain to your hosting. So now all you need to do is to come down here, around here, and go to my domains. Click on it and it loads. So here are all the domains that I have registered with freenom.com. So now let's say I'm using this domain for instance. All you need to do is to copy it like this. Copy it. So I've clicked on copy. Okay, let me just show that I've copied it. So copy it like this, and come back to Hostnity free, then paste the domain here. Please, you have to remove that .tk and put it here without putting the dot. Remember, put the domain name here, then don't put dot at the back, just put the extension. If it is .com, maybe you buy .com. And one thing, you can go, if you want to buy a domain, you can come here and buy a domain. So you understand. So let's move on. This is domain and this is the extension. Just put the domain here and they put the extension, then click on use. So when you click on use, yeah, I know this will happen because I have already registered this domain. It's already registered with us. You will need to cancel it prior to placing an order. Okay, I've registered this domain before, so I won't register another new domain, but well, I'm just trying to explain using this process. So whenever you click on this, you put this, it will direct you to another page. Let me just show you. Let me just take another random domain from here. Okay, let's say this domain, for instance. No, let's say this domain. No, let's say this domain. Okay, and let's see what will happen. Okay, .ml. Let's see what happens. Okay, there's another thing, please. Whenever you want to register a domain on Freenom, please don't register any other domain apart from .tk. I saw that other domains extensions are not working with Hostnity free. I don't know the reason, but they are not working. Just go for .tk. So I won't be able to do anything now. I'll just explain it to you. You understand? So whenever you come here and you click on continue, it's move on to the next page. But let me just take a random domain. Let's say .net. Let's say .net. Remember, I didn't buy .net. I'm just trying to explain. I'll use this if it will really work. So click nvq.net and click on use. Let's see what happens. So whenever you put your domain there and the domain is valid, so it will bring you to this next page. Remember, you must have registered the domain. If not, it won't work. Okay, so when you come here, this is the whatever I want to get out of it. Then you click on checkout. So when you check out, then you fill in your information if you are not registered. But if you are a registered member, all you need to do is to click on already registered, then fill out your information, then complete order. So agree terms and conditions, do this, then complete order. When you complete order, it takes you to the client area page. Just to click on it, and you get the client area and you see your stuff. That is one, and you receive some emails on your mails, blah blah blah. That is all about it. You don't need VPN for Hostnity free. So now let me quickly log into my account on Hostnity free. Log into my account on Hostnity free, then and I'll show you the last part of how you will connect, because you need to connect your hosting with your domain, and I haven't explained that. You understand me? So let me log in and show you quickly. Now we've done our part. You can see 7 services and say kingervq.tk. We've done our part, you understand, by putting this domain here, by registering it on Hostnity free. Now what are you going to do next? You have to go back to your domain, wherever you buy your domain. And here, this is my domain that I registered on Freenom. So all you need to do is to click on manage domains. So click on manage domains. When you click on manage domains, this appears. So all you need to do is to come to management tools, then click on name servers. So when you go to name servers, so wherever you buy your domain, your name server, it is very important. So whenever you get to the name server part, on your name server one, please see what I wrote: king.hostnativefree.com. That is one. Then on your server two, sdq.hostnativefree.com. So this is your name server one and name server two. Make sure it is correct like this. See the way I put it here. See the way it is being written here. Then when you click on it, so when you put this here, then you click on name, change name servers. I'm very sorry, I didn't say this. It must have been in default before. So you just have to click here and use custom name server. Then put the name server here, name server there, then change the name servers. That's all you need to do on freenom.com. Then when you are done doing this, you just wait for some hours. Then when you wait for some hours, your website, let's say this is now let's check my website. Your website will look like this. Your website will look like this. Whenever it is being connected, you will see what will happen now. Can you see? It says 404 found, the resource request. So this is connected to the web server. If it is not connected, this is what it will show. Now let's take another random domain that is not being hosted at all. So let's go back to my domains, back to domain list. Okay, then this is a random domain that is not registered .ml. Let me just click on it and see what happens. It says this site can't be reached. That means it is not hosted at all. But if it is hosted on Hostnative Free, this is what will appear after it is being hosted. So having said all this is all I will be saying about how to get free hosting and how to connect it with your name server on your domain registrar. So that is all for today. So we meet in the next video on how to design your website. Peace.